Welcome back to Cardano Trading, everybody. Just quick market update here. What's going on today, guys? As you guys see here, Cardano is still in a bit of a downtrend, as we've been in the past couple of days, past couple of weeks, guys. Flip back over to the daily. Yeah, guys, Cardano is still in a bit of a downtrend. Not to worry though, guys. The plan is still the same. Right now, I wouldn't really trade. What I would do is, I know this is a trading channel, but it is very, very, very volatile, and I would not recommend anybody to be trading in this series of volatility. So what I would do now, guys, is HODL. Don't get it confused, guys. When you do see a little bit of market volatility happen, that's when you do jump back in the trade. For example, here, let's fit back into our chart. If you see this break through this higher position, this 1.15, catch that retracement probably to about, let's just say 1.25 level, maybe even a little bit lower, 1.2. But I feel like there will be a retracement at some point today, guys. So if you do want to go ahead and catch that, you could go and do so. However, guys, I'm not a financial expert or a financial advisor by any means. This could go to zero, but if you do want to catch the retracement today, be careful when you're going to do so, and do so with caution, and do your due diligence and be careful. Like always, guys, thank you very much for watching. If you just a like, comment, subscription, turn your post notifications on, we will teach you how to trade crypto every single day. Thank you very much for watching once again, and happy trading.